Okay, so I think I have solved the real-time clock problems we've been having with the LEMS. So here's a brand new LEMS board. Now this one doesn't have the problem. Unfortunately, I've already fixed our LEMS that did, but just for demonstration purposes. So here's the real-time clock chip, and here's the battery terminal for it. This, just doing a continuity test with a multimeter, this top battery terminal should connect to that third pin, and only that third pin. And then the bottom battery terminal connects to these first 5 on this side, as well as that node there. So the problem that we've been seeing is that when we plug in our real-time clock battery, if you measure the voltage across this power pin and any of the ground ones, it should measure 3 volts, and it does. So this one's working just fine. For 4 different boards in the last 2 days, we've had that measure just millivolts. Those were the boards that have been just displaying a real-time clock value of the first minute of the year 2000. So that's the problem we've been having with those boards, and that's the problem that I've been able to fix on them. What I did is simply pop out the battery. Make sure not to do that with something that is metal, because you could short out the battery. I've basically been using a screwdriver, an electrical screwdriver with a little bit of electrical tape on the end. If you take 99% isopropyl alcohol, just like this, that, from what I've been reading, is the best thing to use for cleaning electronics. Just get a bit of it on a cloth or something, and swab the terminals. Relatively gently. Pull that out. And then just take a clean, dry bit. And swab them just to make sure. Plug the battery back in. And measure on the pins. So like I say, I wish I had a board that was displaying the problem right now, but it appears that it's pretty robust after you fixed it. Best I can tell, there's just some sort of gunk that gets on there during production, but as I've said, there's 4 boards in the last 2 days that were having this problem that I was able to fix just by cleaning the terminals. So I hope that works for you guys.